Painalis yung... Wala naman, Kado. Tingnan mo, oh. Kahit anong ano ko. Oo nga, balik ko nga yung music. Sugar Daddy. Tatawa ko. Sat ka na. Ang tibay, no? Ang tibay ni Mayor. Baka gusto niya ng masibak. Nag-update ba kayo iOS 26? Ala, ang daming nag-comment. Ano pa naman, may tatlong laging sinasabi yung school namin: conscience, competence, at saka compassion. Walang konsensya. Walang konsensya. Dun sa ano ng Holy. Kasi nag-request sila ng cancellation, tapos ang dami nag-comment. Nearby schools have already prioritized student welfare and safety by canceling face-to-face classes, and we encourage how to do the same. Many of the Angelites come from different municipalities and are forced to travel to flooded areas while also dealing with power interruptions. Prioritizing their welfare in this kind of situation is both necessary and urgent. Oo nga naman. Meron nga akong may kaklase nga ako dati. Nagagwagwa siya. Wala siyang masakyan. Absent siya ilang araw. I will not cost you anything to prioritize the safety and well-being of your students. How can we expect the students to perform with the best of their abilities if they are being treated with unfairness? The institution should be the role model for the